In today's episode, we will show you how to create a stunning square shape extension using dual forms from Victoria Vynn. Hi everyone, this is Manji, International Nail Instructor of Victoria Vynn. Welcome to Victoria Vynn Nail Series. Today we will be showing you master gel extension with dual form technique. As well as don't skip the video till the end if you want to know about do's and don'ts on dual forms. The products and tools that we are using in this tutorial are perfect shape dual form from Victoria Vynn in square shape, a filer and a buffer of 100 by 180 grit, a cuticle jelly remover, cuticle pusher and nipper, diamond flame bit and a ceramic bit from Victoria Vynn, extra adhesion liquid, nail prep and tape bond, master gel base coat, master gel number 15, glitter pitch, master gel liquid and master gel brush with the spatula, manicure brush, cleanser finish manicure, lint-free wipes, Victoria Vynn flash cure lamp, a tap and dish, and 5-oil complex cuticle oil. When we talk about working with dual forms, of course, we can work with different other materials as well, like salon build gel, mousse gel, and fiber gel as well. Let me know on the comment if you want a video using dual forms with different other materials. Surely we'll make a special video for you. As always, before we start, let's do our duties to avoid any spread of pathogens by sanitizing both of our hands and put on gloves. We will be shortening the natural nail using 100 by 180 grit filer. On the dual form technique, we don't need to go very short unlike we do it in sculpture extension. We can leave a bit of long free edge if the client wants. Then, we will be pushing the cuticles using cuticle pusher to detach the cuticles from the nail plate gently. We will make sure to detach all the cuticles from the nail plate, especially if we are using drill bits to the nail preparations. Otherwise, we might get nail damage like this, which is showing on the screen. Using Victoria Vynn diamond flame bits, we will be removing and cleaning the cuticles in a gentle sweeping motion. We will make sure we don't put any pressure to the natural nail plate. Using Victoria Vynn's diamond flame bit, we will open all the epinecium, working from the center of the nail to the left using right spinning rotation, and from the center to the right using left spinning rotation. After this, we will put a small amount of jelly cuticle remover and start cutting them precisely. Right after this, we will be buffing the nail plate with the buffer and degrease the nail plate with lint-free wipes soaked in extra adhesion liquid. Along with degreasing, let's pick the right size of the dual forms and prepare them. Victoria Vynn has 3 different shapes: square, almond, and universal in the offer, and each of the box includes 12 different sizes. They are very thin and flexible around the cuticle area. They comes with 2 types of silicone pads which are very soft and flexible, which we can use them to secure of symmetrical French. They comes with the guidelines on the form for the French and to measure the length of the extension. They are reusable and easy to clean unlike the paper forms. It's time to match our dual forms to the size and the structure of the nail plates. If we get a form which is perfectly fit on the natural nails, then we can start our application right away. But sometimes it's hard to find perfect match, so we need to measure and customize them. Let's have a look to the points that plays the vital role to the application of dual form. Dual form has to be matched on the side edges of the natural nails and the ideal form parallelly without pressing them hard. It is not a good idea to pick a form which we need to put on pressure to reach the side edge of the natural nails with the ideal forms. It is not a perfectly matched form if we see a gap on the side of the natural nails. We should not be putting a lot of product around the cuticle area of the forms. Doing this will cause a noticeable build-up around the cuticle and underneath the nail, particularly near to the hyphenacum area. After measuring and customizing of the form, we will start applying nail prep to the nail plate to degrees. Simultaneously apply tape bond to the natural nail plate to get better adherence. Now we will put a small amount of master gel base coat in each of the finger and start spreading them with master gel flat brush. This will control excessive use of base coat, better adherence of the base coat on the nail plate. This will control excessive use of base coat, better adherence of the base coat on the nail plate, and not to be messy with the product around the cuticles. We pop them into the LED lamp for 60-second cure. Meanwhile, we will be applying product to the dual form to be ready to apply them into the natural nail plate. Take a sufficient amount of product on the dual form as desired shades of the master gel. Today we are using number 15 glitter peach. We will spread the product with the help of master gel flat brush dipped in the master gel liquid. Looking at the guidelines present in the dual forms, we will make sure desired length. The majority of the product will lies on the apex area. As I informed you earlier, the product should be less around the cuticle area and towards the free edge. Simultaneously apply the entire ideal forms. We will start the application from the pinky finger. Not to forget, we must get our Victoria Vynn flash curing lamp on the side as we have to flash cure them. While implementing the product, we must keep it at an angle of 45 degrees and gradually pressing downwards. As soon as side edge of the form lies parallel to the side wall of the natural nail, we should flash cure the nails with Victoria Vynn LED flash curing lamp for 5 seconds. After that, we flip the hands and fix it underneath the forms and cure them for 60 seconds into the LED lamp for full curing. We pinch the form on the both sides of the free edge and slightly twist it to take off the dual forms. We check if the applications are correct and we start drilling with Victoria Vynn ceramic cone beds around the cuticle area to do the correction if it's needed. Likewise, we will be filing around the free edge of the extended nail to give them perfection. We keep an eyes on the growth point to come out straight parallel. We will level up the entire surface with the filer and buffer of 100 by 180 grit to even out the surface. We will turn the hands and double check the shape of the extension. Dust off with Victoria Vynn's manicure brush and then meticulously we clean it with lint-free wipe soaked in cleanser finish manicure liquid. Let's start applying our last product to give a finished look to the nails. Take a sufficient amount of master gel top coat and apply to the extended nails and give a full cure into the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Let the top coat to cool down for some seconds and wipe it with lint-free wipe soaked in cleanser finish manicure liquid to give our final look. Let's put 5 oil complex cuticle oil around the cuticle and give a gentle massage. There we go, our stunning dual form extension with master gel. Let me know how is the final look of the extended nail. By the way girls, you can do also French nail extension using dual forms or natural nail extension like today and put any kinds of colors and design as you like. But for today, I have not put any color on the top as our master gel itself is sparkling. Again, it's time to wrap up our episode. Let me know on the comment if you want a video of dual form technique using different materials like salon wheel gel, mousse gel or fiber gel. Definitely we will make a tutorial video for you. And I hope our nail series are helping you to know and how to use step-by-step Victoria Vynn product. Also, not to forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you in next episode.